At Mactec Enterprises, we recently completed a comprehensive suspension service and engine mount installation for an Audi, ensuring the vehicle maintains its high-performance standards and smooth ride quality. The suspension work involved a thorough inspection, repair, and replacement of worn components to restore optimal handling and comfort. In addition, we installed new engine mounts to reduce vibration, improve engine stability, and enhance overall driving performance. Our skilled technicians handled the job with precision and care, using high-quality parts and adhering to manufacturer specifications. At Mactec Enterprises, we're committed to delivering reliable, professional service tailored to your vehicle's needs.